Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PS4 controller on Xbox Cloud Gaming PC. First, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your personal computer. You can do this using a standard USB cable, plugging it directly into an available port. Alternatively, if your PC has Bluetooth capabilities, you can pair it wirelessly. Just make sure your computer's Bluetooth is enabled and discoverable. Once connected, confirm that your operating system recognizes the controller as an input device. To bridge the compatibility gap, you will need to download and install DS4 Windows. This essential, free, and open-source application acts as an emulator, making your PlayStation 4 controller appear as an Xbox 360 controller to your computer. This emulation is crucial because Xbox Cloud Gaming natively supports Xbox controllers. After installation, launch DS4 Windows and ensure it detects your connected PS4 controller, preparing it for the next steps. Next, you'll configure a profile within DS4 Windows. This involves creating a new profile and carefully mapping each button on your PlayStation 4 controller to its corresponding Xbox equivalent. For instance, your X button might map to the button on an Xbox controller. Once all buttons are correctly assigned, save your new profile. It is vital to keep DS4 Windows running in the background while you play, as it continuously translates your inputs. With DS4 Windows actively running, you are now ready to enjoy Xbox Cloud Gaming. Open your preferred web browser, such as Chrome or Edge, and navigate to the official Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Log in using your Microsoft account, which grants you access to the extensive game library. Select any game you wish to play, and your PlayStation 4 controller, now emulated as an Xbox controller, will seamlessly control the action, providing a familiar gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.